Hey guys, you're watching Tech Radar. My name is Basil and this is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The Galaxy S9 Plus has a 6.2-inch display, bigger than the S9. It's also a little bit different internally. While the S8 and S8 Plus didn't have too much in it, this time around Samsung's given the S9 Plus an extra camera. They've given the S9 Plus 2 GB of additional RAM, as well as that additional screen size and battery too. Let's start with that screen though. 6.2 inches, nice, vibrant. It's going to absolutely engulf you. Curved edges, very, very beautiful OLED panel, Super AMOLED in fact. It's tried, it's tested, and it looks brilliant, unsurprisingly. You've also got stereo speakers on here above and below the display, so you're going to get a more immersive sound experience, and it has Dolby Atmos tuning too. Power button on the right hand side, volume button on the left hand side, along with a Bixby button, and it's a smarter Bixby. Samsung says that this Bixby will be able to translate better. It'll be able to even identify your food and tell you how many calories are in it. So that's something to test out in the real world, because that seems like a pretty tall order from where I'm standing. But I digress. The real big deal about these two new Samsung Galaxy phones is the rear camera, the primary camera. It has a variable aperture. That means it can actually go smaller or bigger. Mechanical, maybe, yeah, probably, which is sweet because in low light situations it will be able to open up to f1.5, and in overly bright situations, daylight situations, you'll be able to close up and you won't have an overexposed shot. Samsung also composites 12 pictures to produce a shot with even less noise than the competition. We've done a whole bunch of camera tests and the Google Pixel 2 XL always comes out on top. Samsung had one here and we did a test side by side, and especially in low light, the Samsung Galaxy S9. First impressions, very, very promising. On top of that, it's all powered along by either a Snapdragon 845 processor or an Exynos 9810, depending on your region. 6 GB of RAM on the Plus variant and up to 1.2 gigabit LTE download speeds. Very, very cool, and 4x4 MIMO too. So yeah, loads and loads of speed. 3,500 milliamps will keep the S9 Plus going for ages, and it should also be super secure. The fingerprint scanner is not only in a more ergonomic place in the center of the phone, it also is coupled with face detection and iris detection for a complete face scanning. Now, the biggest feature about these two new phones from a fun point of view are the animated emojis. These scan your face, take pictures of it, and make emojis that actually look like you. Whether they do or don't is up for debate, but they are a lot of fun, and then they're responding to your facial movements, and as a result, you can not just have personalized emojis in terms of the base look and feel, but also down to your specific expression, emotion that you're feeling at the time. Saved as a GIF, it's easy to share out with friends, families, whatever device they're using, whether it is an iPhone or indeed another Samsung Galaxy S9. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Tech Radar for everything on the Samsung Galaxy S9, the Galaxy S9 Plus, and everything Mobile World Congress 2018 related. Thanks for watching.